to Amit University, Chennai, where NIAT Industry-Ready Upskilling program is offered. A maritime landmark now quietly shaping the upcoming talents. Hi, I'm Pavitra. Let me give you a walkthrough of this beautiful campus where you won't just see infrastructure, but real-life tech skills that take shape in the classroom, on the ground, and in the minds of NIAT upskill students. Let's start with the space where intent turns into action, the classroom. This is where the students dive into the serious stuff. Every room here features high-speed Wi-Fi, ergonomic seating, soundproofing, smart AV systems, and layout made for collaborative learning. It's not just about lectures from a podium, it's hands-on, mentor-led, project-first learning, because the best way to learn tech is to build it. The auditorium is the place where the momentum builds. From real-world project showcases to sessions with super mentors, top-tier companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Netflix, Apple, this hall has heard questions that don't come from the textbook. It's where students upskill with NIAT, listen, question, and walk out with 5 new ideas and a better direction, sometimes so deep that they get directed to the playground, where they can step out for a game of football, volleyball, or cricket. Because all these are not just sports, they are a refresh button just one needs after all the tech upskilling. And when these sports don't cut out, there is always a gym for those who like their recharge on rep mode. Weights, cardio, mat work, whatever works to keep the students mentally and physically sharp. And when one becomes sharp, you can find them at the library. This is where the focus lives. A go-to for students fine-tuning their concept, planning the next hackathon, or just getting in the zone without the noise. And just like that, my work is done too. We have reached the end of Amit University, Chennai, where NIAT industry-level upskilling program is offered. All I want to say is whether you're coming with big dreams or running out after a tough exam, this is where your journey to the tech world begins.